Welcome to another episode on our channel, where today we explore the world of libraries. Imagine a place filled with endless rows of books, a sanctuary of stories, knowledge, and a whispering symphony of turning pages. But of course, there's a golden rule here. Quiet, please. Our story today begins with two friends, A and B, nestled in the cozy corner of their local library. It's one of those places where silence speaks volumes. But life sometimes has its giggles. As they sat surrounded by tales of wizards, historical exploits, and scientific discoveries, a sudden sound disrupted the tranquil atmosphere. B, sorry, I just saw a funny meme. A, being the loyal guardian of library tranquility, turns. A, shh, this is a library. They share a moment's silence, an amused truce, but the ticklish nature of that meme keeps tugging at B's funny bone. B. Nope. Now, here in the heart of the library, something beautiful unfolds. The quiet isn't just the absence of noise, but a collection of soft smiles, a crowd of grinning faces filling the spaces between shelves. It's a reminder that libraries aren't just about silence. They are about the curiosity that tickles the mind, much like B's unstoppable laughter. Here, respect for the quiet means valuing those moments of mirth that break through unintentionally. The library, a place of endless learning, has a little secret. Within its sacred, silent halls, laughter is welcome, as long as it's respectful, of course. And who couldn't agree? After all, a library is where the mind meets adventure, where laughter, albeit softly, knows no bounds. The giggles subside, the whisker of turning pages resumes, and within the walls of this great collection, A and B find their places again, a shared secret of mirth, stored away like a precious book. Remember, quiet please, but a dash of giggles? Always welcome. Join us next time as we continue exploring the charming corners of our world. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Background music fades out.